Hey everyone. So I wanted to pop on today, and I've done some tutorials in the past on braid styles and braids, but I kind of want to put them all together and share with you my three favorite braid styles. You probably know one of them for sure. You might not know the other two. So I'm going to teach them to you today. I don't know about you guys, but I used to be all about the messy bun. Like, put it up and like tie it and it fall out. But since my hair's been getting longer, actually I just chopped it off. I've been loving doing braids, and I think they're super cute. So first braid style, which you probably know. I'll try to do it on the side. Which side do we do it on? This one. This one is a standard braid, okay? So I also love putting braids on the side. I like this side. I don't know, maybe that's a 90s thing. So the first one you probably all know, like the regular braid, you split it into three, and you take it from the side and you put it over the middle. You take the other piece from the other side and put it through the middle, and so on all the way to the end. That's like a standard braid, right? Everybody knows that one. At least I did. I actually didn't learn any kinds of braids except this one when I was a kid, because I had that horrible kind of mushroom cut that my mother cut, and I was asked if I was a boy. Thanks, Mom. Anyways, learning as an adult's fun. So that's the first braid. Second braid, which I actually just learned last year, it's just the opposite. It's called a Dutch braid. And so instead of taking those side pieces and putting it over the middle, you put them under the middle. Okay, so I took that piece that was on the side and put it under the middle, and then I take the other piece on the other side and put it through the middle, but underneath that piece instead of on top of it. Okay, this is called a Dutch braid. My hair, I chopped off a few pieces. I chopped off a few inches of hair, so my braids aren't as nice now because I need to let my hair grow out. Anyways, that's a Dutch. Oh my gosh, I did an awful job. But a Dutch braid, you guys, is just the opposite of a regular braid. So instead of taking those side pieces and putting it over the middle, you just put them under, and it gives it like a different look to the braid. Look up Dutch braids too. They're beautiful. I think they're beautiful, especially French Dutch braids. And the third kind of braid that I really like is called a fishtail braid. And those ones, of course, kind of mimic a fishtail. I find it takes longer and more concentration because it's not what we're used to. But this is how they go. So you take your hair on the side, and you, instead of parting it into three like with the other two braids, you part it into two. I hope you can see this okay. So put it into two. All right, I'm not going to do all the way down because I find them so slow during this one, but they're so pretty. So you've got two pieces of hair, and then from one section of that hair, you take a small amount off the edge, okay, like that. And then you put it to the middle, and you kind of put it over and connect it to the other side of the hair, to the second piece. And then you do the same for the other side. So you take a little piece of hair here, and you put it through the middle, and you attach it, collect it with the other piece. So I still have two pieces going on, and then I take a little piece from here. So it repeats too, just like the other ones. Take it across, and you connect it with the other side, and so on all the way down. I find this one you have to be a little bit more precise and pay more attention to. But the effect is really, really pretty, the fishtail braid. Have you guys heard of fishtail braids before? I've only heard about them the last year, and they're super pretty. Again, my hair is a bit shorter, so I wonder if you can see it. Can you see it coming together there? Just trying to get the lighting. So this one's the fishtail braid again. You split it in two, and then you take a bit from each side, and you kind of put it over top and add it to the other section all the way down. Oh yeah, I can see it coming together. I usually do a Dutch braid now because I'm fishtail I had to concentrate too much on, and I don't always have the time to concentrate or want to concentrate. Anyways, those are my three favorite braids. Yeah, see, a mess, whatever. I still taught you. Those are my 3 favorite braids, like the regular braid, the Dutch braid, and the fishtail braid. Look them up, you guys are so pretty. I love playing with braids, and they're kind of like a fun, instead of like a messy bun or a ponytail standard. So give some variety to the hair. Thanks for watching, you guys, and happy, what, it's Thursday. It's Thursday. Happy Thursday.